Just to let you know, guys, I'm outside right now. Yeah, look at that. It's once in a lifetime, so I'm gonna go for it. Why not, guys? Yeah, be careful. Dang. Good thing this truck is 4-wheel drive. Yep, 4x4. It's not that bad though, as long as you have like a thick jacket. So yeah, I do have a thick jacket, guys. So pretty good. Man, really nice. Woo! You know, like it's not really dark outside. See what I mean, guys? It's very nice. Yeah, it's sticking all right. Yeah. Wow, it's so soothing. You know, if you like walk over there, guys, you can see it's like so clear. Hold on. Gotta be careful. Yeah, look how clear it is, guys. Man, looks nice. Wow. You can't even tell if it's like even midnight or something. Like, if you guys like check my SC3, it's 11:46. It doesn't even look like 11:46. Dang, so amazing. I can't believe I'm doing this. But you know what? What the heck? Too late now. I'm doing it, guys. Wow. Amazing. You know, I don't recommend doing this, guys. If your immune system is, how do I say it? Like, if you get sick easily, I don't recommend doing this. This is my immune system. My immune system is okay. Like, it's getting cold, so I think I should go. I'm going, guys. Woo! Till then, yep, I did, guys. Let me see, can I wait on walking in the Winter Wonderland before I head home? Yeah, I'm gonna get the sun, guys. So hold on. Yeah, it's cold. Yeah, I'm shivering right now. I'm surprised like some people are driving around this time. They shouldn't. Hold on. Walking in come on. Search it now. Good thing the SC3 is water resistant, but don't do it too long. Ah, it's not working. Alright, if I go to Christmas songs, should be able to find it though. Either or let me see. Oh, I need to wipe this. It's getting wet. Yeah, there's so many songs, I don't know which one to pick. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Almost midnight, guys. Okay. Alright, I'm shivering, guys. I need to go. So, I did it. So, thank you guys for watching. See you guys, and peace out.